Hello everyone, we are from True Maths, and in this video we are going to solve the question based on numbers. Here the question says tickets numbered from 1 to 20 are mixed up together and then a ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability of a prime number, multiples of 2 or 3 and the multiples of 2 and 3? So first of all, we know that the probability of an event is basically equals to the favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So in this case, there are tickets which are numbered from 1 to 20. So the total number of outcomes will be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So these are the total number of outcomes here. In the first case, you have to find the probability that the ticket which is drawn is having a prime number printed on that. So first of all, we must know what is a prime number. In simple definition, prime number is a number which is not divisible by any other number. Means 11 is a number which is not divisible by any other number. This is only divisible by 11, which is itself, and only by 1. Or you can say this prime number has only two factors. One is 1 and the second is the number itself. So this is the definition for a prime number. And in this case, if you want to find the probability for a prime number, for that the favorable number of outcomes will be, one thing is important here, 1 is not a prime number here. The first prime number is 2. The second prime number is 3. This is third. 4 is again not a prime number because 4 is divisible by 2 here. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Again this is not a prime number. This is divisible by 3. So this is 5. This is 6. This is 7 and this is 8. So there are 8 prime numbers in this list. So the favorable outcome for a prime number will be 8. And there are total number of outcomes as 20. So if I cancel by 4, this will be 2 by 5. So the probability of coming a prime number is 2 by 5 here. Now, in the second case, this is the multiples of 2 and 3 and this is the multiple of 2 and 3. Now, what is the difference between this or and 3? Or and? For or means, first of all, we must know what is multiples. Multiples are basically the number which comes in the table of 2 or in the table of 3. Or you can say the numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3 are the multiples of 2 and 3. So here you need to find the probability of multiples of 2 or 3. So for this, the total number of favorable outcomes will be, now we need to find the multiples of 2 or 3. 2 or 3 means either that number must be the multiple of 2 or the numbers must be the multiple of 3 here. So this is the first number which is a multiple of 2. This is second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 numbers are the multiple of 2. And for 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, this is again common here. This is 1, 2, 3. This is again common. 4, 5, and this is again 6. So the number which is inside the circle are the multiples of 2, and the number which are inside this rectangle are the multiples of 6. So these are the favorable outcomes for when we have to find the favorable outcomes for the multiple of 2 or 3. So in this case, this number, and this number, these three are common in both the cases. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So for in this case, there are 13 favorable outcomes when we have to find for the multiple of 2 and 3, and there are total number of outcomes as 20. So this is the probability for getting a multiple of 2 or 3. Now what is the difference between this 2 or 3 and 2 and 3? 2 and 3 means that number must be divisible by 2 as well as divided by 3. Or in other terms, you can say that that number must be divisible by 6. So in this series, you need to find the numbers which are divisible by 6. Those numbers will be divisible by 2 as well as will be divisible by 3 here. So the first number is 6, which is a multiple of 3 and 2, and the second is 12 and third is 18. So these three numbers are the multiples of 2 as well as 3. So finding the probability, this is the third part, of the multiples of 2 and 3 will be equals to, here the number of favorable outcomes are 3 and the total number of outcomes are 20. So this will be the probability of getting the multiple of 2 and 3. So this is how you can solve these questions. These are the basic type of question from which the paper pattern will be set. If you are able to solve all these types, I hope you will score good marks in your exams. Thank you.